Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and look what came in the mail today. This is January of 2024 Curated Bead Box. And yeah, we're just in December. That's one thing I like about Curated Bead Box. You get them a month ahead of time. Anyway, let's see what's in here. All right, so here it is. We have Over the Rainbow. Here's all the little goodies that are inside. I'll just leave this here for a little bit and you can pause it if you need to. They make a list here of everything with the item numbers. So if you want to go to their website and buy any of these things, you can. Now, if you wanted to get the Curated Bead Box as a subscription, I have a really good coupon code for you. And all that information will be in the description box below. Now, in addition to all the pretty beads that you get in each of these boxes, you also get a findings little bag, and it has everything you need to make bracelets, earrings, necklaces, and keychains even. Well, maybe not keychains because you don't have the little keychain hook itself. But you can make zipper pulls, all kinds of fun things. But here is all that information. Now I'm going to open up the box and we're going to go through these things one by one. All right, so they've got them all wrapped up nice. Oh, ooh, interesting stuff. Something that caught my eye immediately. Oh my goodness. Let me just put this here for you and you can just look at it. And you know why I love it. Okay, let me get these organized. First thing on the list, I believe, are these. They're calling them a 10mm sky blue glass pearl bead 8-inch string. I would not call them sky blue. They're almost, I see a little bit of purple in there myself. They're almost a stormy blue sky, but they're really pretty, and I like them a lot. I just wouldn't call them sky blue. To me, sky blue is a lighter blue, but those are really pretty. Then we've got some more 10mm beads. These are bubblegum crackle glass bead 8-inch string. Okay, and then the next one, more 10mm beads. These are pink lilac marble style glass beads, 8-inch string. We have our neighbor's dog going crazy. Don't know if you hear him, but I sure do. It's a beautiful day outside. He's just probably having him a good time. Look at these. These are really pretty. These are 10mm purple blossom spray glass beads, a 6-inch string. Those are really pretty. I like these a lot. So far, I think these are my favorite. Except for maybe that bag of stuff that I saw at the very beginning. All right, the next thing we have are 8mm blue pink marble style glass beads, a 16-inch string. Oh, I think these are my favorite now. Oh, these are really pretty. And then we have an 8mm rose pink glass pearl bead, 16-inch string. I wouldn't call this rose. In my opinion, it's more peach. Very pretty, very pearly looking, but it's definitely a peachy pink. All right, the next thing we have here are the 6mm soft teal glass pearl beads, 16-inch string. Those are really pretty. I like those together. And then the last set of beads we have are 6mm fuchsia lilac marble style glass beads, 16-inch. Oh, those are pretty. I like those a lot too. Let's just kind of put these here so we can see them all while we go through the other stuff. So the next thing about a 1 ounce rainbow designer glass bead mix. So we're looking at just a variety of different beads here. Some of them have like a silver line in the middle, some of them don't. Most of them do. But those are really pretty. And this is over the rainbow. I'm not for sure I would have called it over the rainbow. To me, these aren't really rainbow colors, but I guess some people might say, you know, rainbow is just a variety of colors, and if that's where you're going with it, then yeah, we have a variety of colors here. All right, the next thing, we have 2 millimeter gold metal link chain, 40 inches. Okay, I bet that's what this is. And I'm not a fan of gold, I'll just say. Especially, I mean, if it was real gold, I don't even really like real gold that much. And this is very gold. So I'm not a fan of that, but I'll figure out a way to use it. That there. And then the next thing we have, gold metal adjustable bracelet. Okay, here we go. Do you remember these? These were really popular not long ago. And I mean, I already think I know what I'm going to do with this. Seeing the other things that are coming up the pipeline here, you could just hang some charms. There's some charms that are in this next thing I think we're getting ready to show you. Yeah, random charms. I'll be showing that here in just a second. I may hang a couple of those on there and then make some charms out of some of these beads. All right. Actually, I'm going to show those last. I'm going to skip to the gold metal polygon pendant. There's 2 pendants. They kind of look like hearts. Okay. So they would hang like this. To me, I guess a polygon, does that say polygon? Polygon. It does. Okay. I'm not the best in math, but a polygon I thought was a many-sided figure. I wouldn't really, I guess it's a polygon, but to me it almost looks like an abstract heart. If you like big earrings, these would make really fun earrings. I might just do that. That will be fun. Okay, the last thing. Let me move all this because I'll have to say these are going to be my favorite for sure. We have flamingos. Oh my gosh, look, flamingos. And then these, I love, love, love these fish. Aren't they fun? And then we have these little flowers and a heart. Nothing speaks more of tapping flamingo, aka the bohemian hippie, than this assortment right here. I love this. Anyway, that is what we have for January of 2024's Curated Bead Box. This will be my last shipment. I thought last month was going to be my last shipment, and I went in and I did pause it. But I must not have done it in advance enough. And actually, I'm really glad because I really like these. It's really hard for me to pause this shipment of beautiful things that I've gotten from Curated Box over the years. But I am trying to cut back on stuff and expenses and pausing some of the all of the bead subscriptions has been a really good way to do that. Oh, one thing too. Let's back up a little bit. Here is the findings kit. We have ear wires, which I really like their ear wires. I really like their head pins. They're nice head pins. We have stretch cord, which I don't use. Another thing I don't use are the what's called? The crimp beads. Mine just went blank there. We have memory wire. We have beading wire. We have lobster claws, and some really nice jump rings. Anyway, here we go. Here's our shipment. Stay tuned for some fun creating with all these pretty things. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.